It's really easy to know the identity of a person these days, like things have improved. So there are a lot of scammers out there, and especially if you use platforms like p2p platforms. For example, if you use Binance p2p, Binance actually recommends you, if you're buying crypto on Binance using p2p, okay, Binance recommends you that the name of the person you're sending money to matches the names of the payment method they've added. So for example, if a person is called John on Binance, and the mobile money names there, they have to match the names, have to show John. If they don't show John, then you're not supposed to proceed with the exchange. But people don't really care about that. As long as they receive, it's okay. But I think Binance wouldn't help you, like if you get scammed and the names which are there were different. The thing is, how can you know if the name matches? Okay, sometimes, especially if you're using Binance, you're able to tell, because usually on the payment methods, the sellers are going to tell you that this is the number to use and this is the name which come. But you should always try to avoid dealing with crypto with different names. Okay, always make sure that everything matches. Okay, so another way you can know the identity of a person by having a phone number, okay, is using what's this platform, Truecaller. Okay, but Truecaller requires you to have internet access, requires you downloading it, and the bad part about it is that it uploads all your contacts. Yeah, but you can actually you can use a short code, a USSD code, to check what are the real names of a person and the names behind the phone number. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So like all you need to do is simply grab your phone, right? So you can use Airtel Money, MTN Money, or anything. Simply dial, if you're in Zambia, dial star 115 hash, right? When you dial star 115 hash, click on the first option, which is send money. Then you're going to choose Airtel customers or other networks or other country. Then I'm going to click on enter number. Then now you're going to enter the number of the person who is going to receive the money, right? So when you enter the number of the person who's going to receive the number, you'll be asked to enter the amount. Then when you enter the number, it's going to show you that send money to this name on zone 9 whatever, amount this transaction fee. So remember, on this stage, before you proceed to enter the pin, before you can send the money, okay, they're going to show you the names behind that phone number. So now these names should match the names which are on Binance, the names which are on Deriv, or the names, if you're buying something on Facebook Marketplace, okay, the names should match the names of that Facebook user. If it's on WhatsApp, the names should match of that WhatsApp user. So on this stage, it's going to show you the names and look sure that the names match. Okay, this is the first step of staying, preventing yourself from being scammed, so that you deal with the person who is really behind that. Yeah, so I hope this video helps you in some way. Bye for now. This is Keith.